Demystifying the phrase, gig rate. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive deep into an interesting English phrase, gig rate. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in your daily conversations. Before we understand the term, gig rate, it's crucial to know what a gig is. In modern English, a gig refers to a short-term job or assignment. This term has become increasingly popular with the rise of the gig economy, where people work on individual tasks or projects rather than having traditional, long-term employment. Now, let's break down the word rate. In the context of jobs or services, a rate typically refers to the amount of payment for a particular task, often defined per hour, day, or specific outcome. For example, a freelancer might charge a rate of $20 per hour for graphic design services. When you combine gig and rate, the phrase gig rate refers to the payment or compensation one receives for completing a short-term job or task. If someone asks you about your gig rate, they're essentially inquiring about how much you charge for a specific job or service. To ensure you fully grasp the concept, let's look at some example sentences. 1. As a freelance photographer, my gig rate varies based on the complexity of the shoot. 2. Before accepting the project, make sure to discuss the gig rate with the client. 3. With the rising cost of living, many freelancers are increasing their gig rates. And that's a wrap on the term gig rate. We hope you now have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Always remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding modern phrases like this can help you navigate the ever-evolving world of communication. Happy learning!